Welcome back. Time now for the business review. A Jamaica company is carving out space both in environmental technology and education. While developing a device aimed at reducing harmful vehicle emissions, the company is also producing jumbo STEM textbooks designed to support CSEC and CAPE students. It's the story of Ceres Lab. Deidre Thomas tells us more.
A new device could soon become a standard feature on the back of your vehicles and potentially part of Jamaica's future. That's as Ceres Lab, a Jamaican environmental solutions company, is positioning itself as a serious player in the global fight against climate change and car emissions. Floyd James is the Chief Operations Officer of the company.
Nkumo, my business partner and Chief Executive Officer of the company and the visionary behind the product, we met and discussed ways in which we could innovate and create something that could impact climate change. And while we were doing our studies at University of West Indies, we hit it off and looked at ways in which we could create a product that could reduce carbon emissions between 50 to 70, even to 90%. Now, coming out of that, Nkumo created a device that captures carbon emissions between 50 to 70%.
This innovation, according to Mr. James, addresses a global concern as motor vehicles account for roughly 26% of global carbon emissions. With an estimated 1 billion vehicles in circulation worldwide, he says even a modest market penetration of this product could have a measurable environmental impact.
How Vector One works is it's connected to the rear of the bumper, and when the exhaust comes from the muffler, our device has strong fans that suck it in. Now, when it's sucked in, it goes through a series of filters. First of all, we have a dry filter that captures all the soot up to 95%. Also, all the black contaminant and that smoke that comes with the vehicle, we capture that. Now it goes through a second stage filter, which is a wet solution, where it actually interacts with our patented solution.
While the company has not yet recorded a profit from the carbon capture device, it has invested over $10 million in development. Mr. James says scaling remains a challenge for the company. However, beyond environmental technology, Ceres Lab has also carved out a niche in education through its STEM resource notebooks, which targets CXC and CAPE students.
The good thing about our STEM resource notebooks that it comes, first of all, with syllabus, a concise syllabus that cut out all the fluff. Students can go directly targeted to the subjects. You can track their progress. Parents can follow their progress as well. Even if the teacher is not there today, the child can go in and read and stay focused. It comes with ChatGPT link as well. It comes with link to the 400-page syllabus.
Looking ahead, Mr. James says the company plans to expand its product line with a second version of Vector One also being designed for environmental air purification in both opened and closed spaces.
And how many of these books you have on the market?
Presently, we have 5 books on the market.
Which subject areas?
And we're looking at CSEC, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and AdMat.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.